vintage.
Welcome to Litera Times 2.0, a bigger, brighter and better version than before. We have turned the pages and we have changed the scenes, only to bring you the best updates from across the campus.
I am Sanskar and this is Samriddhi, and together with our team we'll take you through the journey of August edition.
Litfest 8, where stories found their stage and creativity took the spotlight.
Litera Valley School, Patna, proudly hosted Litfest 8 on August 1st and 2nd, 2025, a two-day celebration of literature, art and culture. Day 1 featured events like Kalp Shrishti, Sandesh, the fluid pen, charcoal painting, off the cuff and Sargam, while Day 2 dazzled with reel making, spectrum quiz, Utsav dance and website designing. With an esteemed panel of judges, the competition was fierce and inspiring. In the end, Litera Valley School lifted the overall trophy with DPS Patna as runners-up. Thanks to the dedicated team behind the scenes, Litfest 8 became a grand celebration of creativity, talent and teamwork.
Litfest gave us imagination, and now let's hear conviction. Next, we have Young Voices, a state level competition.
Young Voices, My Dream for My State, was held on August 10 at Patna's Planetarium, bringing together bright young minds from across Bihar. Diksha Sahani of Litera Valley School, with her thought-provoking presentation, earned a spot in the top 6 who got the opportunity to interact with Honorable Governor Shri Arif Mohammad Khan. Her enriched vision for Bihar drew praise from the governor. Truly a proud moment showcasing the power of youth voices.
And from Young Voices shaping our future, we move to Young Voices filled with pride for our nation. Patriotic Week, a celebration of unity, spirit, and pride for our nation.
Litera Valley School celebrated Patriotic Week from August 11 to 14 with creativity and pride. Students from grade 3rd to 5th took part in a pledge drive, made tricolor lunches, monument miniatures, and enjoyed a face mask parade honoring freedom fighters. With tricolor decor and heartfelt participation, the week inspired young Litarians with values of unity, responsibility, and love for the nation. Thank you.
And carrying forward the patriotic spirit, we now come to the grand celebration of Independence Day at Litera Valley School.
Litera Valley School Patna celebrated Independence Day 2025 with great zeal and patriotic fervor. The day began with the flag hosting by Principal Sir Desmond Junior Monty and Headmistress Ms. Sujata Khitani, followed by the national anthem and quote. A vibrant cultural program lit up the stage with poem, speech, drama, and dance, with the adorable kids' performance and the grand finale left the audience spellbound. It was a true reflection of freedom, unity, and love.
Next, a POXO awareness session was held to empower students about safety and rights.
On August 12, Litera Valley School held a POXO awareness session organized by Law Prep Tutorial. Our source person explained the act in simple terms, guiding students to child safety, recognizing abuse, and reporting fearlessly. The session also reminded everyone that if you ever feel uncomfortable, please report it. The interactive talk was impactful, leaving students more alert, confident, and responsible.
Next, we move to a world of words and expression, our poetry recitation competition.
Litera Valley School held its inter-house poetry recitation competition for grade 6 to 8 on the theme of patriotism. In the solos, Agni House secured the first place, followed by Prithvi House. In the group category, Prithvi House emerged as the winner with Dhanush as runners. The event was a showcase of energy, creativity, and the spirit of patriotism.
Next up, we head to the stage with Dramatique, an inter-school one-act play competition.
On August 21, our team performed at DPS Patna with a thought-provoking act on cyber ethics. This act highlighted the importance of using technology responsibly while raising awareness about its risks. It was a proud moment as our students blended creativity with a powerful social message.
Moving forward, we have Synergy, an inter-school fest held at Radiant International School. Moving forward, we have Synergy, an inter-school fest held at Radiant International School. Good morning everyone, we are here at Radiant International School on Synergy Day 2, 23rd August, and I'm reporting live from Radiant. We have won the runners-up trophy and secured positions in 4 events today. This was all for Synergy. Signing off, Diksha. Thank you.
Next up, we move to an international recognition by the British Council. It's a moment of immense joy and pleasure for all of us at Litra Valley School. Our school has been awarded with the prestigious recognition of International Dimensions in Schools, RITS program certification by the British Council. Out of 200 participating schools, only 80 schools were able to secure this certificate of excellence. And yes, LVS proudly stands tall among them. Heartfelt congratulations to our principal sir, HM ma'am, Shilpi ma'am, and all the teachers for making this dream come true. And now let's ask our HM ma'am about her views on this achievement.
Thank you. So, I said somewhere, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And this single step was the day we decided we are going ahead with application for the RIDS certification. And our chairman sir and chairperson ma'am, with their vision of wanting to do something new for LVS all the time, agreed to it. Thank you, sir and ma'am, and thank you to principal sir for all what is there today. A collective effort in collaboration with not only one or two, but with a strong family of over 3,500 students and 150 teachers and so many people teamed together in collaboration to achieve this certification. What are the benefits? Well, for me, at the personal level, I feel good. But at the professional level, I feel it's an important milestone. We achieve, we grow together, we learn, we grow together. Thank you.
Now, let's head over to Flair, a 2-day cultural fest held for juniors at Litra Valley School.
Flair is an inter-school extravaganza. Litra Valley School Patna is all set to unfold on the 29th and 30th of August with many events for classes 1 to 5 with the theme Space Odyssey. The fest promises a galaxy of events from debates, doodle contests, street plays to music, dance, art and even culinary challenges. Every child will get a chance to shine, making these 2 days a true celebration of creativity, energy, and youthful spirit.
And now, some important updates from the academic sector.
Half-yearly examinations are set to commence for 1st September. At present, students across all grades are revising their syllabus. With focused effort and dedication, they are gearing up to perform their best in these upcoming exams.
Let's head to our brand new segment, Quick 30, where we bring you 30 sports headlines in just 30 seconds or less each.
CBSE Clusters 3 for many sports were held, along with badminton, table tennis, swimming. This was Litra Valley School first time participating in athletic, yoga and boxing clusters. Swimming clusters were held at DPS Patna East from 2nd August to 5th August. Litra Lions proudly participated. We secured 2 gold medals, 1 silver and 3 bronze medals in the swimming clusters. For badminton clusters, our team went to Gaya Ji. Clusters were held from 1st to 3rd August at Delhi Public School, Gaya. Girls under 19 team secured 3 bronze medals and under 17 team secured 4 bronze medals. The under 19 boys badminton team secured 3 silver medals. Litra Valley School Patna emerged as the overall runners-up in the CBSE Badminton Clusters 3. Bhaskar Raj of class 12B lifted a trophy for the best player in under 19 boys category, a proud moment for the school and Bhaskar. For Yogasan clusters, our school travelled to Ramgarh, Jharkhand. The competition was held on 5th to 7th August in Scholars High School, Ramgarh, Jharkhand. In Yogasan Clusters 3, Litra Valley School team won the consolation prize.
The boxing clusters were hosted at Pratapgarh, Uttar Pradesh from 16th to 19th August in New Angels Senior Secondary School. Our young boxers showed great courage and determination in the ring. Pralab from class 9 and Vaishnavi from class 12 secured silver medals each. Litra Lions also marked their presence in the CBSE chess clusters held at Mount Litra Ji School, Beta Bihar from 20th to 24th August. Students competed with the sharpest mind across the region. Litra Lions also marked their presence in the CBSE chess clusters held at Mount Litra Ji School, Beta Bihar from 20th to 24th August. Students competed with the sharpest mind across the region. Our skaters rolled into action at the skating clusters conducted in Dhanbad, Jharkhand from 21st to 25th August, bringing pride to the school. Table tennis clusters were held in Bokaro, Jharkhand from 2nd to 4th of August. The table tennis clusters witnessed strong performance by our The under 14 boys team in table tennis bagged the gold medal. The under 17 boys team in table tennis also impressed, winning the silver medal. The under 14 girls table tennis team paddled their way to a bronze medal finish. Two of our table tennis team, under 17 and under 14 boys, have also been selected to represent in the nationals. Another shining moment for LP.
The athletics clusters were held from 13th to 17th August in Vikas Vidyalaya, Ranchi, Jharkhand. Shrishti from class 6 secured gold in the high jump under 14 girls category. Pranav Kachwaha from class 12 clinched the bronze medal in the under 19 800 meters race. Inter-school swimming at St. Dominic Saviour's High School, Patna on 8th August saw Litra Lions sweep 9 gold, 10 silver and 7 bronze medals. Litra Valley School came alive with energy on 23rd August with the much-awaited inter-house sports competitions. Students from all houses clashed in badminton, swimming and table tennis with fierce enthusiasm. Finals of badminton and table tennis on 27th August added nail-biting excitement to the contests. Swimming finals turned the pool into an arena of speed and endurance, leaving behind unforgettable memories of unity and inspiration. In inter-house swimming finals, Akash House emerged as overall winners. Prithvi House boys and Agni House girls emerged as winners in 6 to 8 inter-house badminton.
And this was all the news for August. From sports to Lit Fest, this month was truly unforgettable.
With this, we mark the beginning bringing up a new version of Litra Times brought to you by Grade 11. Stay tuned, stay curious, and keep learning.